This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap. Stocks had a mild session today as traders await Bernanke's speech tomorrow and investors became uneasy about the future of interest rates. Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 50.5 to 13,283, while the Nasdaq gained ground on strong corporate spending. It closed higher by 2.1 at 2565.30. The S&P 500 was lower by 6.2 to 1457. Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke suggested in a letter that the private sector and Congress should create new affordable mortgage products that would help some homeowners refinance their mortgage and keep their homes. In a letter to New York Senator Charles Schumer, Bernanke repeated that the Fed is closely monitoring markets and stands ready to act if needed. The Fed issued a statement with almost identical wording on its August 17th after it cut the discount lending rate to 5 3/4. U.S. economy bounced back in the second quarter after very weak growth early in the year, growing at a 4% annual real growth rate. The upward revision to second quarter gross domestic product is likely to have a minimal impact on financial markets, which are preoccupied by the credit crunch that's emerged since the end of June. The upward revision to GDP was largely due to an improved trade balance and to the biggest increase in investment in commercial buildings in the last 26 years. First-time claims for state unemployment benefits crept up in the latest week, hitting a high last seen in mid-April and signaling some weakness in the nation's labor market. Including a revision to the prior week claims data, initial claims have now risen for 5 straight weeks. Claims for the week ending August 25th rose by 9,000 to 334,000. H&R Block said its first quarter loss ballooned as it struggled with its mortgage lending arm and said it is trying to renegotiate the sale of the unit. For the 3 months ending July 31st, the nation's largest tax preparer reported losing $302.6 million or 93 cents per share, compared with a loss of 41 cents per share during the same quarter a year ago. Sears Holdings said that its second quarter profit dropped 40% because of lower overall sales, weaker operating results from Kmart, and its domestic Sears operation. Net income for the period ending August 4th fell $176 million or $1.17 per share. Analysts were expecting $1.13. Scheduled economics report for Friday includes the personal income for July, consumer spending for July, Chicago PMI for August, factory orders for July, and consumer sentiment for August. Scheduled earnings reports for Friday include Skillsoft, Vivendi, Unitech Electronics, United Natural Foods, Infotel, and Altran Technologies. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap.